So I've been using the Beelicious vacuum sealer machine for quite a while now, and it's been a total win in my kitchen. Right out of the box, it was really easy for me to set up and use, even for a beginner like me who's never used a vacuum sealer before. What I really love most is that it has both a dry and wet food option, so it's perfect for things like marinated meats if you pre-marinate your meat before vacuum sealing, or even soups. And then of course, if it's marinated, you just take it out of the freezer and cook it whenever you need to. No mess, no hassle. There is also a seal only button, which is great if you're using those bag rolls. You can kind of like cut the bag to the size that you need, seal one end of it without vacuum sealing it, and then of course fill your stuff in it and then vacuum and seal the other side. Personally though, I stick to the pre-made bags. It works seamlessly with those too, but having the option to do the custom size bags is a nice bonus. It works fast, it seals tight. I've never had an issue with like freezer burn, leaking, or anything that I've sealed. It's reliable and it's making my meal prep so much easier. So if you're on the fence, I say go for it. You definitely won't regret it.